Why do 80% of new blockchain developers struggle to launch their projects? Because traditional blockchains are complex and rigid. They try to do everything at once, and it slows everything down. Celestia, also known by its token TIA, is a modular data availability network taking the crypto world by storm. But what does that actually mean? Think of traditional blockchains like trying to build a skyscraper with one team handling everything: plumbing, wiring, structure, security. It's slow, complicated, and expensive. Celestia flips the script. It specializes in one thing: data availability, making it super easy for developers to launch their own blockchains without all the headache. By breaking up these functions, Celestia enables better scalability, flexibility, interoperability. In simple terms, it lets different blockchains talk to each other and grow way faster. For developers, this means you can now build custom blockchains for games, finance, social apps, without reinventing the wheel. Faster, cheaper, and more reliable blockchain experiences. Keep an eye on TIA. This is just the beginning.